Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a boomerang video on Snapchat. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first step, of course, is just to open up the Snapchat app here, and you're going to use the camera, and the first thing we're going to do is take the video that we then want to convert. So I'm going to take this quick video from there over to my computer and back. So I have that video. If I wanted to convert it to a boomerang, I will swipe down here at the bottom right. You can see Snap Timer. I'm going to tap on that button. And you can see it turns into infinity. And then I can tap it again and it switches it to a bounce, essentially a boomerang. What this does is it allows you to scrub through a specific part of the video that it will just go back and forth on. So you can see I can choose this part. I can go back, basically just to include this part. So you can choose whatever part of the video that you want. Let's say I want this part. I can basically add music to that. I can add text. I can edit it as if it were a normal, snap, any other thing. And then I'm going to hit send to at the bottom right. And then, of course, you can send it to your story. You can send it as a snap to a specific person, any of that stuff. And, of course, you can also just save it to your gallery if you do want it saved onto your phone as well. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below. And I'll catch you on the next one.